If you need to connect your Asana account to Google Calendar, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to get it done. So let's climb in. So to connect that Google Calendar, we're going to go from our home page on Asana. On the left, you'll see all your projects. Now let's select a project. I'm going to go with this work requests, and we're going to go over to the right-hand side. You will see a customize button. We're going to click on this. Now you'll have to do this per project. So once you're in here, you'll go down and you'll see add, and underneath that, you'll see apps. Let's click on apps. And from here, you can see a list of apps. Now, if you can't find Google Calendar over here, you can search it on the top left. Let's go and look for Google Calendar and click on it. So what we need to do is upgrade our Asana to a starter pack. Okay, so once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page where you will purchase that starter pack. And once you are done, you will have to just grant permissions to have your Google Calendar connect with Asana, and you've now literally got the two apps connected.